Want this? Let's start editing. Add the first clip. You can use any Blackpink Twixter video clips for this edit. Duration 3.3 seconds. Add animation fade in for 1.0 second and fade out for 0.5 second. Second clip. Add the neon name clip. Link in the description. Duration 3.7 seconds. To use my clip, just add the neon name clip and zoom to fit within the frame. Third clip, duration is 3.7 seconds. Add 3 keyframes. The first part keyframe, zoom the video clip. Second middle part keyframe, normal size. And last part third keyframe, zoom again the video clip. Then add animation fade out for 0.5 second. Next add the name clip as overlay. Duration is 3.7 seconds. Crop the name clip to remove the pink. And use splice lighten to the overlay clip. Then add animation in, zoom 1 for 1.3 second, and animation out, zoom in, for 1.9 second. Go back to the main clip and add graph in between keyframes. First part ease out 3, and second part, ease out 2. Go back to the first clip, and add effect, black flash 2 under nightclub, and adjust the speed to 100. Add another effect, Blu-ray scanning under scan. Second clip effect, leak 2 under retro. This effect is optional. You may use other effects if you want. Fourth clip, add the next name clip, duration 3.4 seconds, and add effect leak 2. Fifth clip duration 3.8 seconds, add keyframe to zoom out and to zoom in the video clip. Add fade out for 0.5 second. Then add graph, ease out 3 and ease out 2. Add the name clip as overlay, and add the animation zoom 1 for 1.3 second, and zoom in, for 1.9 second. Sixth clip, add the neon name clip, duration 3.6 seconds, and add the effect leak 2. Do the same steps on the following clips that are displayed on the screen. For the seventh clip, the second keyframe is placed near the first keyframe, and added another keyframe to stop the zooming in of the video clip for a while. Continue the steps up to the ninth clip. 10th clip, duration 2.1 seconds, and add animation fade out for 0.5 second. For the overlay clip, this is optional. This is from the Capcut library under trending. Splice light in the overlay clip and align the neon circle on the globe at the screen. And add animation fade out for 0.5 second. 11th clip, 0.5 second. Use keyframe and opacity to create fade out. First keyframe opacity 100, and second keyframe opacity 60. Then add animation combo fall right. 12th clip, 0.4 second. Same steps for the fade out, and add animation combo zoom right. 13th clip, 0.7 second. Same steps for the fade out, and add animation combo fall left. 14th clip, 0.7 second. Same steps with animation combo left zoom. 15th clip, 1.4 second. Just add animation fade out for 0.5 second. To create a bit of a shake effect on the first part of the 15th clip, add effect rebound swing under nightclub, and adjust the intensity to 15. Add another effect, diamond blur under opening and closing. Adjust the effect a little bit longer on the first effect. 16th clip, add animation swing bottom for 0.2 second, and fade out for 0.2 second. 17th clip, add animation swing right for 0.2 second, and fade out for 0.2 second. Then alternately add the animation swing bottom and swing right on the 18th and 19th clip. For the 20th clip, add animation fade in for 0.2 second, and fade out for 0.5 second. Go back to the 16th clip with swing bottom animation. Add effect, oblique blur under opening and closing. Adjust the blur to 100, and rotate to 50. Duplicate the effect to make 3 copies. Next clip with swing right animation. Add the same effect, oblique blur, and adjust the blur to 100 and rotate 100. Just copy the first effects and place it under the 18th clip. Do the same for the second effects. Copy it and place it under the 19th clip. For the 20th clip add effects, rebound swing, and diamond blur. 21st clip duration is 0.5 second, and add keyframes on the beginning and at the end. First keyframe zoom the video clip, and second keyframe normal size video. Add graphies in 1. Use opacity and keyframe for the fade out, first keyframe 100, and last keyframe 70. Do the same steps on the following clips. Durations are on the screen. Twenty-seventh clip, 1.8 second, with noise 2 under retro effect. Then add white photo as overlay, duration 0.4 second, no splice added, just add animation fade out to the whole clip. 28th clip, 1.4 second, you may or may not add text, it's up to your liking. What color, font, and animation to use if you are going to add text. 29th clip and 30th clip, no animation added. You may or may not add text if you want. 31st clip. No animation added. Add keyframe on the beginning and at the end. Zoom the first keyframe and normal size at the end. Add the glass breaking overlay. This is also optional. Check out the link in the description. And on the last part of the clip, add effect black flash 2 under nightclub. The following clips' durations are displayed on the screen. Just add animation out, zoom in. "38th clip. Add animation fade in and fade out for 0.5 second. Next, add the following clips' durations displayed on the screen, and add animation fade out for 0.5 second. Back to 35th and 36th clip. Add black flash to effect under nightclub. Just copy the effect and add to 42nd and 43rd clips. Then back to the 38th clip, add the Blackpink logo animation as overlay, link in the description. And also the Blackpink in your area photo, duration 1 point per second. Add keyframe on the beginning and middle part of the clip. Adjust the first keyframe into a smaller size, and second keyframe adjust it like this. And use splice lighten to the overlay. Starting on the 39th clip, add white photo as overlay, with the same duration of the main clip. Add splice overlay, and animation fade out. Apply the white photo up to the end of the clip. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to support the channel and help others discover this content. Check out the result link in the description.